Okay. Karen has a credit card with an interest-free period of up to 55 days. We're going to be doing a calculation of a credit card statement with an interest-free period. Okay, so she has an interest-free period of 55 days and an interest rate of 17%. It has monthly statements with 25 days to pay before interest is charged. So that's the 55 days is made up of monthly 30 days plus 25 days to pay before the interest is charged. In August, she went on holidays and used the card as follows. The 10th of August, accommodation, $245. 12th of August, day trip fares, $48, and so on, until the 24th of August. She arrived back home on the 25th of August and received her account on the 3rd of September. The statement was dated 31st of August. How much was due if she paid immediately? Okay. Well, things we need to know is she received her account, okay, so she actually got it in the mail on the 3rd of September. And the date on it, the calculation date, was the 31st of August. So, how much was due if she paid immediately? Well, the 31st of August is the date of calculation. She received it on the 3rd of September, so that's 31st of August, and then that day plus these 3 days, 4 days. Okay. She has an interest-free period of 55 days. So if she paid it straight away, it's within the interest-free period. So how much was due? Just the amounts here. Okay, no extra interest. So if we go ahead and add up those, 245 plus 48 plus 108 plus 55 plus 36 plus 130 is $622. So she owes $622, okay, if she pays it immediately. What is the last date she can pay on to avoid interest? Okay, well, she has up to 55 days, so it's monthly plus the 25 days. So the end of the month rolls around, 31st of August, statement comes out, it's calculated on that day. She then has 25 days to pay. So the last date she can pay is the 25 days after the end of August, which is going to be the 25th of September. Okay, how much is due if she doesn't pay until the 30th of September? Well, that's 5 days overdue. So this is where they get you. It's not 5 days worth of interest. It's interest all the way from the payment date, 30th of September, all the way back to when each item was purchased. So the easiest way to work this out is to draw a table. Okay, so if I just move this up a little bit, so we've got a bit of room, and start my table. Looks like this. Okay, and our headings on our table are, okay, item, and then amount, purchase date, days to 30th of September, and then interest. Okay, so our first item is accommodation. The amount is $245, and the date it was purchased on is the 10th of August. Okay, and now we need to work out the number of days there is till the 30th of September. Okay, now credit cards work on the fact that you go back to including the purchase date. Okay, so if I just looked at 10th of August and we looked at, I'm just going to move this over, so it was 10th of August, let's look at how many days there are till the end of the month. Okay, so if I just looked at that, you could easily say there's 21 days. Okay, because 31 take away 10, 21 days. But that's not including the purchase date. Okay, so you would be a day short because credit cards use the day of purchase as well. So when you're looking at that, okay, do your takeaway, do 21 days and then add on a day, include the purchase date. So that is actually, okay, 22 days in the eyes of the credit card. Okay, so that's one way to do it, is look at the date, 10th of August, how many days till the end of the month. Okay, work that out including the purchase date. So to the end of August is 31 days, okay, so 22 days, and then to the 30th of September is going to be 30 days on that. So we have 22 days plus the 30 days of September is 52 days. Okay, now the interest on that, okay, I equals PRT is 245 times our rate, which was 0.17, times, and our number of days is 52 on 365. Okay, so that's 245 times 0.17, put this over here, times 52 on 365 gives us 5.9336. We'll round it up for dollars, so $5.93. Okay, $5.93. Okay, rule off and go on to your next item. Our next item on the list was, okay, so we've done accommodation. Next item is day trip fares. Okay, day trip. Again, it's $48. It's 12th of August. Now days to the end of 30th of September, or from the 12th of August to the end of August, which is the 31st, is going to be, okay, 19 days, not including the purchase date. Okay, because 31 take away 12, 19. Add on a day for the purchase date, so we have 20 days. Plus the 30 to September is going to give us 50 days total. Work out our interest. I equals PRT 48 times 0.17 times our days of the year is going to be 48 times 0.17 times 50 on 365, $1, and it's 1.117, so we're going to round that up, $1.12. Okay, rule it off and continue until you've got a complete table. And then to answer the question, how much is due if she doesn't pay, it's going to be the amount that she owes, okay, plus each of these interest charges added up.